Mary, I'm Ben from Maurice Subaru. I just wanted to introduce myself as well as a Subaru Legacy that we have on our lot. This one is a premium model. It's the ruby red color. It also has an all-weather package as well as the moonroof. There's a lot of cool different options that you can get, a lot of which this one does have. It doesn't have leather, it doesn't have navigation or anything like that, but it does have the body side moldings there. It helps prevent door dings as well as a whole bunch of other things. Here at Maurice we do offer lifetime unlimited mile, unlimited time powertrain warranty, and actually you get that just for shopping with us. It's just a one-time enrollment fee of $35. As well as that, you also get a 9 no-cost oil changes, and then you do get car washes the entire time you own the car on demand. So please give me a call at 763-765-1423. You can see that we do put our best price first on all of our cars, as well as give you all those other things. So give me a call and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot, Mary.